Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by syncing your branches so changes flow smoothly. Fetch and pull both main and your feature branch. This minimizes surprise edits. Once done, rebase or merge locally to incorporate teammates' commits and resolve tiny overlaps while they're fresh. Make sure to run your test suite and linters now to catch behavioral conflicts rather than syntactic ones. That saves time. If you find trivial style differences, fix them in a small commit so reviews stay focused on logic. You tackle conflicts by inspecting hunks with git status and git diff before editing. Understanding intent prevents accidental regressions. Once you see the conflicting lines, prefer minimal edits that preserve original intent and existing tests, because heavy rewrites hide bugs. Use git add and continue after resolving each file. Also, when conflicts span design or behavior, communicate with the original author. Brief messages prevent duplicate work and keep the codebase coherent. Make small, well-commented resolution commits to aid reviewers. You finish by running the full test matrix locally or using a draft pull request to trigger continuous integration. This verifies your resolutions under all environments. Once green, tidy your commits, squash fix-ups or reorder for clarity, and write a clear merge message explaining why conflicts were resolved that way. If unexpected failures remain, consider resetting the problematic branch and coordinating a fresh rebase with teammates. This is the key troubleshooting tip that prevents repeated conflict.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.